Imagine being at the edge of a precipice, staring into an endless chasm that seems to swallow all light, all sound, and all sense of direction. This isn't a description of a psychological abyss, but a real place, the deep sea, a frontier so alien and vast that it challenges our very understanding of life on Earth. The deep sea, a region that starts where the sunlight barely reaches and ends in the darkest, most pressurized environments known to man, is home to an array of mysteries that have captivated human imagination for centuries. From the colossal squid with eyes as large as soccer balls to the anglerfish that lure their prey with a bioluminescent lantern on their head, the deep sea is a realm where the bizarre and the fantastical seem to thrive. But beneath its mystical allure, lies a complex ecosystem that is as fragile as it is resilient, and as unknown as it is essential to our survival. In this journey, we're going to delve into the heart of the abyssal void, to unravel the mysteries of the deep sea, to explore the uncharted territories that lie beneath the waves, and to understand the intricate dance of life and death that plays out in the darkest depths of our planet. So, let's begin our descent into the unknown, with a question: what lies at the bottom of the ocean that could change our understanding of the world and our place in it? The journey to find the answer will take us through shipwrecks and hydrothermal vents, through the freezing cold of the abyssal plains and the scorching heat of underwater volcanoes. It's a journey that will challenge our perceptions, ignite our curiosity, and perhaps, just perhaps, unveil secrets that have lain undisturbed for millennia. The deep sea, often referred to as the last frontier on Earth, covers over 70% of our planet's surface, yet remains one of the least explored regions. The reason for this is not just the sheer scale of the ocean, but the hostile conditions that prevail in its depths. Pressures are extreme, reaching over 1,000 times that of the atmospheric pressure at sea level, temperatures can be near freezing, and the darkness is absolute, a perpetual twilight that has led to the evolution of creatures that can produce their own light. Despite these challenges, the allure of the deep sea has drawn explorers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. From the early deep-sea divers who braved the unknown in primitive suits to the modern submersibles that can dive to the lowest points on Earth, each step into the abyss has revealed a new layer of complexity, a new array of questions, and a deeper appreciation for the mysteries that remain unsolved. One of the most fascinating aspects of the deep sea is its biodiversity. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives in the deep sea, from the simplest bacteria that can survive in environments without light or oxygen, to complex ecosystems that have evolved around hydrothermal vents, where hot water and minerals from the Earth's crust create a chemical-based food web. These vents, often referred to as oases of the deep, support a unique community of organisms that can live in symbiosis with bacteria, converting chemicals into energy, a process known as chemosynthesis. This form of life, independent of sunlight, challenges our traditional view of the food chain and has significant implications for our understanding of how life could exist elsewhere in the universe. But the deep sea is not just a repository of bizarre creatures and alien landscapes, it's also a vast, unexplored reserve of natural resources. Minerals, metals, and even new species of fish and other seafood are waiting to be discovered. However, this potential for exploitation also poses a significant threat to the fragile ecosystems of the deep sea. The impact of human activity, from overfishing to deep-sea mining, could irreparably damage these environments, leading to losses that we can hardly begin to comprehend. As we explore the deep sea, we are faced with a paradox. On one hand, the deep sea offers us the possibility of discovering new resources, new forms of life, and new insights into the Earth's history. On the other hand, our exploration and exploitation of the deep sea pose a significant threat to its very existence. This paradox raises a series of provocative questions. How can we balance our need to explore and utilize the resources of the deep sea with the need to protect it? What are the implications of deep-sea mining and fishing for the global ecosystem? And perhaps most importantly, what does the future hold for this last frontier on Earth? The answers to these questions will require not just a deeper understanding of the deep sea, but a fundamental shift in how we perceive our relationship with the natural world. We must recognize that the deep sea is not just a resource to be exploited, but a vital component of our planet's ecosystem, one that plays a critical role in regulating the climate, providing half of the oxygen we breathe, and serving as a potential source of new medicines and technologies. As we stand at the edge of this abyssal void, staring into the unknown, we are reminded of the profound beauty and mystery of our planet. The deep sea, in all its complexity and fragility, is a mirror held to our humanity, reflecting our capacity for discovery, our need for sustainability, and our responsibility to the future. In the end, the journey into the deep sea is not just about unveiling its mysteries, but about understanding ourselves and our place in the universe. It's a journey that challenges us to be explorers, scientists, and guardians of the Earth, all at once. And so, as we conclude our descent into the abyss, we are left with a final question: what will we do with the knowledge and the wonders that we uncover in the deep sea? Will we use them to forge a new path, one that balances our aspirations with our responsibilities, or will we succumb to the temptations of exploitation, risking the very future of our planet? The choice is ours, and the deep sea, in all its mystery and majesty, stands as a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of our stewardship of the Earth.